Now we will be drafting the front pattern of our pants. From point P, we will go out 1/2 of an inch or 1.3 centimeters. We will mark this number 1. Now from point 1, we will draw a straight line or square this point until the waistline level. We will mark this point number 2. From point number 2, we will go out 1/4 of an inch or 0.6 of a centimeter, and we will mark this number 3. From point number 3, we will mark 1/4 of the waist measurement. We folded the tape measure twice to get 1/4 of the waist measurement. So from point number 3, we will mark 1/4 of the waist measurement, and we will mark this number 4. Now, we will get the intersecting point from point number 2 down to point number 1 and the intersecting point of the hip level, which is this point. We will mark this number 5. Now from the hip level on point 5, we will get 1/4 of the hip measurement. We will fold the tape measure twice on the hip measurement, and we will lay the tip of the tape measure on point number 5 until 1/4 of the hip measurement, which is here. Then, this will be a temporary mark, because from this temporary point, we will go out 1/2 of an inch or 1.3 centimeters. We will mark this number 6, and we will cross this temporary mark out. Now we will shape the front rise or crotch. We will connect number 5 to letter Q. We can start from letter Q by making the line straight 1/4 of an inch or 0.6 centimeters to 1/2 of an inch or 1.3 centimeters. This should just be straight on this area, so that when we sew and connect the back bottom rise and the front bottom rise, the connection will be smooth when sewn together. It will not go something like, if this is the back rise and this is the front rise, it will not have a sharpness here. So it should be smooth on this area. So from point Q, we make a straight line 1/4 of an inch or 1/2 of an inch, and continue making a curved line until point number 5. From point number 6, we will draw a straight line downwards or square this until the length of the pants. Okay? This intersection, we will mark number 7. Now, we will get the midpoint from point R to point number 7. So we will lay the tip of the tape measure from point R and fold it towards point number 7 to get the midpoint, which is here. We will mark this point number 8. Now from point number 8, we will draw a straight line or square this point upwards until the rise or crotch level. This will be the pressing line or grain line of our front part of the pants pattern. So I will write grain line or pressing line. So for our front pattern, this is the hip level. And this is the rise or crotch level. Now we will get the intersecting point of the knee level and the grain line or pressing line, and we will mark this number 9. Now we will get 1/4 of the desired knee circumference, and we will mark this from point number 9 outwards here. Then we will subtract 1/4 of an inch or 0.6 of a centimeter, and we will mark this number 9A, and we will cross this temporary mark out. Now we will mark 1/4 of the desired knee circumference this way from point 9 outwards here. Then we will subtract 1/4 of an inch or 0.6 of a centimeter. We will mark this point number 9B, and we will cross this temporary mark out. Now we will mark 1/4 of the desired ankle circumference or circumference of the length of the pants. So we will lay the tip of the tape measure on point number 8 and mark 1/4 of the desired ankle circumference or circumference of the length of the pants. Now from here, we will subtract 1/4 of an inch or 0.6 of a centimeter, and we will mark this number 8A, and we will cross out this temporary point. Then from point number 8, again we will get the desired 1/4 of the ankle circumference or circumference of the length of the pants. We will mark this, and from this mark we will subtract 1/4 of an inch or 0.6 of a centimeter, and we will mark this point number 8B. Then we will cross a temporary point out. Now we will connect the bottom part of the inseam of the front part of the pants. We will connect from point number 9A to point number 8A. We will connect this with a straight line. Then we will connect point number 9B to point number 8B to get the outer side seam of the lower part of the front of the pants. Now we will connect the upper part of the inseam of the front part of the pants. We connect point Q to point 9A using this part of our curve ruler. This area should really be straight. The connection shouldn't have any corners. The line should really blend in or be smooth on this area. Now we will connect point number 4 to point number 6 to form the upper part of the outer side seam of the front part of our pants. We will use this part of our curve ruler. It shouldn't be so round. I just use this side of our curve ruler so you can see how I connected the lines, but you can actually use this side. Remember that from point number 6, we drew a straight line or squared it downwards until the length of the pants. So, this line from point number 6 to point number 7 and the rise or crotch level line, we will mark this intersection point number 10. Now, using the curve ruler, we will connect point number 10 to point number 9B this way. This line is temporary. We will reshape this area. We can connect from point number 6 to point 9B because as you can see, the shape is really going inwards and not following the shape of the body. Okay, from point number 6 to somewhere below point number 10, connect this line so that it will blend in on this area of the outer side seam using the curve ruler. So from point number 6, we will go down until it blends in on this area. So this will be the outer side seam of our front pattern of the pants. Okay, we chose this measurement, which is the medium size, to show you how to further smooth out this area. Because as you can see, it's a little round here, though this is the right measurement of the hip. But from experience, if we sew this way, there still will exist a little bulkiness on this area. To correct this, we will reshape this way. I'm using a red pencil so you see how we reshape this. See? By reshaping, we will avoid the bulkiness here. But if the pattern has a dart here, so this will be up to here, there may be no need for a reshaping here. This is a case-to-case basis. Just remember that it's better if the area of the hip is not so round on point number 6. So this will be the final pattern from point number 4 for the basic ladies pants. It will follow the red line and then this line. So this is the complete pattern of our basic ladies pants. This side is the back side of the pants and this is the front side of the basic pants. Now we will be drafting the slide pocket.